Hello friends, good morning. Class 9th CBSE Chapter 1 Story of Village Palampur Economics. Let me start from the introduction. The story of village Palampur. This village is hypothetical village, that means for using just for example for this village. This village is a small village, about 450 families in this village, which is 3 km away from Raiganj. Sahapur is nearest town of the village Palampur. This is the modern village. Here the basic requirements are present in this small village, just like electricity, primary and high school education, banks, dispensary, etc. In this village, farming and non-farming activities has been done. Now, let me see first farming. Farming activity. You know what is mean farming activity? Farming, that means the different type of crops cultivation on land, that is known as farming activity. Non-farming activity, that means other than farming activity, is called non-farming activity, just like a transport, tailoring, weaving, pottery, grocery, etc. Now we type second points, factors of production. You know friends, main three factors for the production: one, land, second, labor, and third is capital. Let's see first, land. You know, land is a main factor of the production because of we set up industries on land, also we cultivate crops on land, also we build our house on land. This is the most important factors. Now second, labor. Labor is another important factor of production because not a single person working in the farm, also in industries. So we have to require many people, they are called laborers, and different type of the laborers, some are skilled laborers and some are for working for or also for the cultivation of crops, harvesting done on the farm, so we are using the labor. Now third important factor is capital. Capital is the most important factor in industry or any kind of the production. Capital is two types, one is the fixed capital and another is a working capital. Fixed capital, that means it is a one-time cost. One-time cost, that means we buy tools, machinery, house and land. This is on in industries. This cost is one-time cost. Now working capital. Working capital, that means the capital which rooted in business, that is called working capital, just like buying raw materials, buying seeds, buying fertilizers, also daily expenses, paying for the daily expenses, just like a salary, wages, also cash on hand. This is a working capital. Now friends, third point, important changes in the farming activities. After 1960s, some changes in the farming activities, just like a wasteland converted into the cultivable land after 1960s. Second, more than one crops cultivated on a same land, that means mixed cropping system, also multi-cropping system. And fourth point, the modern farming method. You know, Modern farming method, that means HYB seeds and artificial fertilizer used in the farming activity. This is known as the modern farming method. Here the different type of the farming method applied, it is called modern farming method. Also different type of the irrigation system also applied. Modern farming method was accepted by Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now friends, fourth point, sales of surplus farm product. You know what is mean surplus production? Surplus production, that means extra product other than your used. Farm produce a crops on their land by using the factors land, labor and capital. We done in the second point. Second is farm product which sold in the market. It is called the marketable surplus. Here given the surplus, that means extra product. Large farmer produce a large amount of crops, sells in the market, and small farmers some part of the production sells in the market. Friends, I give whole chapters in the different 4 points. You have to remember these all points carefully and read whole lesson. Also, I give you worksheet on WhatsApp. You have to complete and work which I give you a question answers. You have to done in your classwork. Also subscribe my video, please. फ्रेंड्स, हमने जो आपको बोर्ड पे सिखाया है वो सारा आपके लिए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि सारे जो टैक्स के इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं हमने यहाँ पे इंक्लूड कर दिए हैं। तो इसकी हेल्प से आपको सारा करना है, और जो मैं वर्कशीट देता हूँ वो वर्कशीट के अंदर सारे पॉइंट मेंशन है, एक ऑल्सो एकदम डिस्क्राइब करे हुए हैं। मैंने सिंपल वे में आपको सारे पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे बताए हैं। तो आपको इतना याद करना है, इसको लर्न करना है, इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर पहले लेसन को रीड करो, उसके बाद आप क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखो, तो आपको सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न बाय हार्ट हो जाएंगे। तो आपको एग्जाम के अंदर ये आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो डियर स्टूडेंट। ओके, बाय।